back to my YouTube channel. I am Raviana, and today I have a wig unit from Hermosa Hair. This is the first time that I'm working with this hair company, so they sent me over a 13x4 HD DeepWave wig unit in 24 inches and 220% density. So I want to go ahead and talk about the lace really quick. This is a HD lace. It matches perfectly with my skin tone. All I did was put my foundation up under my lace, and I did not bleach the knots either. So if you guys are in the market for any wig units, go with the HD lace because it's just going to give you the best install look, in my opinion. So now I am going to basically just take my hot comb and comb my hair back so that I can get ready to install my wig unit. But this density, you guys, is a 220% density. They usually send over 200 and 250, but I guess 220% density is like smack dab in the middle for people who just, they want their hair full, but they don't want to really work with a lot of hair. Like 250% density is a lot of hair, especially when it is of a curl texture. So I love this density. It was very full, you guys, which I'm sure you have already seen in the beginning of the video. This install was also very easy as well, because I had already went and like curl defined my hair before I came on camera, and this was actually a very easy wig to put on. Like, I love deep wave textures, and I also love the loose deep wave textures, but this wig unit was really nice, like very easy to put on. So if you guys are looking for like a really cute full density wig unit, check this one out down below. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let this play out as I install my wig unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.